Alrighty guys, welcome back to the channel. We are here at the Mosquito Lagoon today here in Central Florida. We got my girlfriend Sarah. We're just going out for a little afternoon session. Got the fly rod, got a couple regular rods. We got a rig up here in a minute. Going after some redfish and some snook, some trout, snapper, whatever we can catch today. She has never caught a redfish or a snook, so that's kind of our goal today. Jack would be cool. Really anything that swims, that bites, so we're gonna go for it. Also, please don't judge me for these. I don't know what's going on with the camera. It's making a weird noise. Hopefully it's fine. Anyway, please don't judge me for these glasses. These are my mom's. Sarah's using mine today, so don't judge. Oh wow, started. First bump. Heck yeah. We get this baby off the trailer here. Hopefully we backed it in, huh? Alright, awesome. Over there. Look at this pelican right above us, giving us a flyby.
What do I do? Just reel?
Yep. Try to reel above all this grass.
There?
Yeah. The water's quick out there, dude. He's pushing all the bait out.
Still grass. Did you just get something? Do they? Did they tell you?
Biologists know this fact. I don't question the science.
That one's going in the video. All-time best cast.
That was pretty impressive. Got one.
What? That's not fair.
A snapper. I did not expect a snapper on this bait, but I got him. Stab it.
It's pretty big.
Yeah, he's close to keeper size, but we'll put him back so he can swim away. He's so scary. He scared me. I barely got him right at the lip. Say hi. Nice. Alright. We didn't get stung.
I did.
What?
I did.
Maybe not. Does that count?
I saw it.
That was a nice snook for here.
Frick you! You're using the one that works.
It's the same as yours. Do you want this?
Yeah. I'm on the GoPro.
Hey guys, check out the rocket. That's cool.
You guys had any luck?
I just had a snook right there, yep.
Really?
That's it though.
Yeah. You guys see him in here, but the water's kind of dirty right now.
Look at the sky. It's like what your dad saw.
Yep. You hear that?
Mm-hmm.
That's how long it took it to get to us. The noise. That's good.
Don't matter either way. They don't want my guy.
That's why you really catch fish there.
I'm not getting any farther. You were supposed to hit the water. What did you just get in a stance for?